Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to fix the numbers not appearing on your Samsung Smart TV. So this will happen in all cases, so I'll just bring up this one here. So you see it automatically comes up in most instances. If yours doesn't, let's say it like that, come down and then go back where you want to enter numbers and it should come up for you. If it doesn't, look on the remote control and you should see 1, 2, 3 on one of the buttons. Try pressing that and it should come up. Now the third and final thing you can try is press the back button as well as pressing the play pause button and hold these two buttons down for around 10 to 15 seconds and it should restart your remote control and reset it. And then what you'll be able to do is hopefully press that 1, 2, 3 button, or they should pop up like that. So hopefully that helps you out how to fix the numbers not appearing on your Samsung Smart TV.